Okay, welcome back everybody. It's going to be a recap for this Thursday, June 15th, 2023. First trade out of the gate this morning was a buy in the crude oil. I bought it at around 8 o'clock, 7:59 I think was exact. I had an HF2 buy on the crude oil. Held on to the crude oil for a while before it hit my profit target. It finally did hit profit target. Profit target came in somewhere around 914. I'm sorry, 912. 912 is when I actually exited the trade for a nice little profit on the crude oil. The other trade that I made right after that was a gold. I also bought a gold. Let's take a look at that gold trade. All right, so here's the gold trade. So before we get started with the rest of this video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that like button. Also, if you'd like to be notified on this and any new videos, just be sure you hit that notification bell and we'll keep you updated when new videos are released. Also, I want to state that everything that you're seeing here is based off of just 4 patterns, and the targets are based off something we call Einstein. Okay, Einstein. I am still teaching Einstein. I will be taking Einstein off to the market shortly, within a few weeks, so it will not be available for purchase anymore. I'm going to put under lock and key again, and something I've kept to myself for the last 35 years, and there are a few that have learned it, and it's going to go back into the vault, but I will continue on teaching my patterns. So anyway, this was a buying pairing pattern that came in on gold. I was in on the gold. I actually entered somewhere around, let's see here, 913. I bought the gold, and I exited the trade at 927. Nice little profit. So overall, I did trade a few other things, but I also traded the E-mini S&P 500. Had no losses today. Now, this natural gas was a carryover from the prior day. Took a profit on that, and then, of course, the mini Russell as well. Made a little bit of money on that. So overall, 1,068. Let's take a look at our stock trades. Once again, everything I'm doing here is all based off of the same pattern. So it doesn't matter whether I'm trading a commodity, I'm trading the indices, trading the stock, trading the crypto. All of these patterns are repeatable in all markets. Okay, let's take a look at it. All right, so let's look at the big trade for the day. SOFO. SOFO was once again one of those that was kind of on everybody's radar this morning. I know there was a lot of people watching it, a lot of people trading it. We did enter. We first got our buy. Let's see. We bought in at, let's see. We put this trade on at 8:21 this morning. It was an HF2 buy. Once again, this was during the first hour. Went ahead and had an HF2 buy. Several minutes later, we went ahead and we took profit after exceeded. We had several targets up here. We had 1, 2, 3 targets after it exceeded 3 targets. Took profit back over here. It dipped, came back down, set up a nice HF1 buy right over here. I did buy on the HF1 buy after it hit several targets. Once again, we had 1, 2, 3 targets, 4 after it hit the 4 target and pulled back. I went ahead and I exited out of the SOFO. Once again, all these lines here, all these horizontal lines are based on Einstein. Every single one of those has over 70% probability being hit. So I got some very high probabilities when I'm trading these patterns and Einstein. This is probably the most accurate thing that I've ever seen in my trading career, and it's simple, and it's worked for now over 35 years, going on 40 years. I've been trading for 40 years, and at the time when I learned it, which was 35 years ago, I did do a lot of back testing on it. But real-time trading at 35 years. So let's take a look at this on how we did today. Where's our stocks? There we go. So we did make some money on SOFO. Nice little $286. Once again, not getting crazy, just scalping in here. Nice OPRA. Some may have seen me trade AUVI this morning. IMGN never really did anything. I got out of that. Our AI stocks were hot, so was able to pull a little bit out of CXAI. I did get into CXAI a little bit late. Also on BBAI, also on AI stock, got into that a little bit late. A little bit on RMSN, and that was it. So not a bad day overall between the two. So that's it. Also, important announcement. The morning show, we are bringing the morning show down from an hour to 30 minutes. It's going to be every morning from 9 to right before 9:30, before the opening bell, that I'm going to switch and focus more on our new Discord channel. So we opened up a new Discord channel where we're going to be able to share a lot more information. We'll have our watch list. And so for our subscribers, I'll be able to provide them with a lot more information, also spend a lot more time with my subscribers in the morning. So I want to keep this morning show down to just the first half an hour, but please continue to watch us. If you like what you see, you can certainly join our Discord channel. And I am still teaching these patterns, and for a limited time, teaching Einstein. But once again, Einstein will be going away, or we're just going to price it where very few people can afford it. I may do something like that. So that's what people are suggesting that I do, but I don't know. I may just completely take it off of the market. That's kind of my plan. But anyway, that's going to be it. That wraps it up. Tomorrow's Friday, so keep in mind Friday's going to be kind of iffy. Friday mornings are usually always pretty good. The question is, is it going to be good for the first hour or two, or will it last at least for the first 3 to 4 hours? Don't know that, right? So we won't know that until tomorrow. But I do like the volatility in the market. So we'll definitely be having some trades first thing in the morning. All right? So that's it. Everybody have a good day. We'll see you hopefully tomorrow morning starting at 9 a.m. Eastern. Take care.